Hello friends, welcome to part 59 of Laravel 12 multimedia e-commerce series. So we will continue working on the home page, and in this part we are going to show categories, images and logos at home page dynamically. So let's start. First we are going to show the home page categories with images. These categories are fetched from the database along with their images and displayed in a grid. This improves the visual appeal and allows customer to navigate to category specific product pages easily, so that the customers can able to go into the categories and can see the products and can buy those products. Okay, so here you can see these are the categories that we are going to make dynamic: men, women, kids, electronics, appliances, accessories. These are the main categories, parent categories. Okay, so we are going to show only the parent categories images and their links. Okay, and we are going to fetch these categories from here. Okay, so we are going to fetch these categories, these parent categories: clothing, electronics and appliances. These three are the parent category because they don't have any other parent, they have the root only. Okay, these are the root categories. Okay, so we are going to show these three categories: clothing, electronics and appliances, with their images. So we are going to add their images first of all. So I already create those images. Like for clothing, I'm going to add clothing image. Here I am having clothing. Okay, I'm going to add here the clothing image. So first of all, I'm going to add their images, clothing, and I'm going to check the image here. Okay, so clothing coming soon, stay tuned, it's fine. So like this, I'm going to add the image for another category, that is electronics. For electronics as well, I am having the image for electronics, and I'm going to upload the image for electronics, and after that I'm going to upload the image for the appliances as well. So all these three images, sorry, I have created from online. Okay, so here I'm going to upload for the appliances as well. Okay, so now I have uploaded the three images. Okay, so now I'm going to show them dynamically here, and I'm going to follow these instructions. Okay, steps and complete code. So you can follow these steps under video as well. Showing home page categories with images. Okay, so I'm going to create this home categories function in index service so that I can able to fetch the categories with the details and images. Okay, so I'm going to create this function inside the index service. Okay, as it's the part of the home page, it's a part of the index, so I'm going to create this function inside index service. Okay, so I'm going to copy this function home categories, and also I am required to fetch the product count in every category, and for that I require to check their subcategories as well. Okay, so for that, I have also added the code in this function to fetch the products under the category. Like there are two products under clothing. Okay, you can see here both the products under clothing. In fact, both the products are under the subcategory of clothing. Okay, it's under clothing, then men t-shirt. So we need to fetch all the products, means all the products that comes under that category, subcategory, subcategory, and we are going to fetch all those categories so that we can able to count the products. Okay, and that count we are going to show here. Like this, men will have the 30 products, women will have the 15 products, kids will have the 10 products. Okay, so for that count we will create one more function, and that function will help us to get the count of products from the products hierarchy. Okay, from the subcategories. Okay, so I'm going to add this function to align it as well. So I'm going to copy this function, and we paste this function as well. After home categories, I'm going to add this function as well. This is the private function, as it's required only here. It's not required at any other place, so that's why. Okay, just required with the home category. So we have you can see that we have fetched this function to get the category IDs, all category IDs, so that we can able to fetch the product count and can return that. Okay. So after this, let's see. Let's update the index function at index controller once again, so that we can able to return these categories with their count, with their product count. Okay. So I'm going to open the index controller, and here you can see banner feature and new levels. After that, I'm going to show here the categories. Okay, so we are going to fetch the categories from the home categories function that we have just created in our last step, and these categories we are going to return to our index blade file. Okay, and I'm going to open the index blade file now, and we'll make the categories here. We'll add the for each loop. I will show the images of the categories with their links and the category name. Okay, so we are going to show the for each loop, and dynamically we are going to show here are the categories. We are going to replace it with this one, with the for each loop for the categories. Okay, here you can see, okay, so here we have added the for each loop for the categories, you can see. And in this for each loop, we are displaying all the categories. I'm going to align it as well. Okay, so we have find that category image that we're going to show here, and also the category URL and the category name. Okay, so I'm going to check now that the images that we have added is now displaying or not. Some error has come. Let's see. Okay, so this one we need to remove the semicolon. This one. Now we are going to check. I think one more error. We need to find the category here, category model at the top of the index service. Okay. So here we need to add the category model as well. Now we're going to check once again. Yes, this time it is displaying, and you can see all the three categories are coming dynamically here with their images: clothing, electronics, and appliances. Okay, and the animated categories are coming here, and you can see there is the two products count with the clothing. As under clothing, there are two products that we have already added. I have explained you that these products are under men t-shirts, and men t-shirts is the subcategories of clothing. So that's why we are showing here two products, but electronics and appliances are not having any products so far, so we are showing the zero products with them. So we able to display the categories dynamically at the home page. Okay, so now we are going to show the logos, banners dynamically as well, and this will complete the complete home page banner dynamic. Okay, so this part, these banners we are going to show dynamically from the edit panel, and we are going to show here, we are going to add them as a banner. Okay, we will add one more option here, like the type slider fix, and one more option, that is the logo option. Okay, logo option, I think perfect. Let's see what we have done. We will update get homepage function and index server to fetch the logo banners. And yes, logo option we are going to add here. Okay. So let's add the logo option here so that we can able to add the banner type as logo for this one. I'm going to open the here under banners. I think it's add edit banner. Yes. So I'm going to open this one, and here I'm going to add the another option after fix. I'm going to add here the logo option. Okay. So after adding the logo option, now we are going to here update the get home page banners. Here we will add the logo banner. We are going to fetch all the logos that we have added from there. Okay, so that function we are going to add under get home page banners. Okay, so I'm going to open the index service. Index service is already open. So here you can see, like, we have fetched the home status banners, home fix banners. Now we are going to fetch the home logo banners. Okay, so this part that is highlighted. Okay, logo banners we are going to fetch, in which type is logo. Okay, so logo banners for the brand logos and stuff. Okay, so here logo banners I'm going to return to the index.bib file as well. Okay, so now we are going to dynamically show the logos there with their images, and it's very simple. Like, we are showing the uh, other home page banners, we're going in the same way we're going to show the logos as well. This one are the logos, and now I'm going to replace this one with this so that we can able to show the logo banners dynamically. We will add the for each loop for the logo banners, in which we are going to show their logos. Okay, just logos are required to show and nothing else. Okay, so you can see only logos are visible here. Okay, yes, you can add the title, as we have the title is mandatory, so here also we are going to show the title. Okay, so let's add some logo, because we have not added these logos, so it will not show any logo here right now. And we can also add the count. Okay, here, like, if there is at least one logo, then this section is visible, otherwise this section is not visible. That condition we can also add. Here you can see that we have not added any logo, so logos are not coming here, but the empty space is coming. So what we can do here we can add here the count. If here count logo banner is greater than 0, then only this part will be displayed. Okay, so here you can see this one is fine, and in the same way we can do for the categories as well. It's required at every place. Okay, because otherwise because that part is not required, not even div is required, because we will not fetch that part if there are no products. Okay, here also we will add. Okay, so we need to add it everywhere. Okay, these one will always come, and for categories we have done form page fix banners. For this one also we can add here count. Make sure that it must be the array. This uh, and if going to copy this one, and we are going to add for the feature products as well. I'm going to I'm going to update wait for new levels. That's done. Now here I'm going to copy new levels. This one nothing required, and here feature props, and this one fix banners categories. And for this one you can also do, but this one we always require to add home page banners. Okay, home page setter banners. So now it's fine. We will refresh once to see that there must no issue at all. Okay, so I'm going to add the logos now from the enemy panel. With I'm going to refresh it with type logo. Here I'm going to select the type logo. Title I will add later, but first I'm going to add here the logo. Here are the logo, these two logos we are having. Like, for this one we can add the title as tag developers. Go to submit, logo will get added. Yes, logo has been added. You can see the logo, and one more logo we're going to add here. This one logo, and title this time I'm going to add the side makers, and I'm going to choose the file here. And now the second logo we are going to add. See, first we have added this one, maybe, yeah, then I'm going to add this one. Okay, Yes, both the logos have been added. Now we are going to see. Yes, logos are coming now. Okay. So they are coming like this. Like if there are even two logos, they will repeat. Okay, they will repeat if you are going to add just two logos, they are going to repeat in such a way so that the animation will run, okay, and it will look good. So I hope that it's clear. We able to show the categories as well as the logos dynamically at the home page. So our home page is now complete. Okay, so our home page is now complete. Now we can start working on the listing page. Here, like after clicking on clothing, men or men t-shirts, we are going to display the men t-shirts products. So that thing for the category listing, for the product listing, we are going to work on that thing in the next part. Okay, so I hope that you can able to make your home page dynamic as well after watching all these videos. And from the next part, we will start working on the category listing. So please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.